Hey guys, welcome to Quick 4K. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove SOS on iPhone. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first is going to be by toggling on your airplane mode. You can just pull down from your screen and click on airplane mode and just turn it on just like that and turn it off, and that will go ahead and fix it. If that doesn't still do it, then try to press and quickly release the volume up and the volume down button and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears, which will go ahead and enable a force restart. The third thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings right over here and ensure that you have your mobile data turned on. Now, the final thing you want to do is, if you use a physical SIM, try to remove it and put it back in order to go ahead and refresh your connection. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.